This is taken from Life Sketches of James and Ellen G. White, 1888 edition. James White. The mass of people think that if a person is prepared to die, he is prepared for the coming of the Lord. But they do not consider the difference between dying and standing alive to meet the Lord at his appearing. It is one thing to die in the Lord, to yield our spirits to him while he is pleading for us before the Father's throne, and quite a different thing to stand in the time of trouble after Jesus has ceased to plead in man's behalf. After his priesthood is closed, and he is preparing to come to redeem his own and take vengeance on his foes. They who realize these things will bless heaven that means have been devised in the mercy of God for the perfection of the saints.